Alright, so I finally got this little radio amplifier, radio antenna amplifier, I guess you could call it. This one here, that's the part number there. Now for my car, it is on the driver's side. I've already got a bolt in here. I did have to re-thread this hole here as it is not threaded by factory onto it. And if you're going to do this, you will also need a cable and two isolators, one for the drive side here, and you'll need an isolator for the passenger side, which I've already got added to it. Then you'll also need a cable that plugs into the audio control module and run it all the way to the very back. So I've already done all that part, so now I'm ready to install this here. This little wire here will clip onto the window right there. Now depending what yours is, I've seen some, I think 19 is on the passenger side instead of the driver's side as the 17 is. So you'll just have to look on yours and see. I don't think the 13 to 16 has this option available. It's just only the 17 and newer on it. So anyways, back to where we're going. They've already got the holes cut out. One here, one there, and a screw hole. So this big part here goes into this hole here. This little knob there goes into this one here. So basically, just like putting a puzzle together, just like that. Then you want to get your little bolt and go ahead and thread that in and tighten it down. Alright, so I got that tightened down, this connector plugged in. Now all I gotta do is just put this little connector here onto the window. And just like as you button up a jacket, you just push it in place, and that's all to it.